In my last woodworking video, I made this portable jig for the jigsaw. It helps to keep the jigsaw blade perfectly vertical. Now in this video, I will make a similar jig to keep the jigsaw blade at a perfect 45 degrees angle. In this case, I have to find a different way to install the bearings correctly. The first part is almost the same as in the previous video. But now I have to tilt the jigsaw shoe to a perfect 45 degrees angle. I cut the slot and now I have to tilt the jigsaw metallic base to the other side. Also until it is at a perfect 45 degrees angle with the jigsaw blade. Like this, the jigsaw blade will fit with the angle of the groove. I glue that piece in front of the jigsaw. I install the bolts with the washers and the wing nuts to hold the jigsaw. I prepare the bearings. And the support with the vertical piece to prevent too much vibrations. And well, here we can see that in this case it is better if I put the bearings in a separate piece, because if I try to screw the bearings directly to the support, the way I did in my last video, it would be very difficult to put them correctly, and it would be impossible to adjust them in the right position. Like this, it will be easy to install the bearings correctly. Oops, it is not easy to keep the base of the jigsaw jig perfectly on the workpiece. Well, I could make a clean cut, it looks quite nice. But if I check for the angle, here it seems to be some far from 45 degrees. But if I check the cut surface, well, not so bad. Well, I think I will have to make some small woodworking project to see how good are the metal joints I can make using this jig, but that will be in another video. Thanks for watching. If you think this is an interesting woodworking jig, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click the bell to get all the notifications when I upload new videos.